Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for reporting back. And before we begin, let me just say that people have really been asking me whether this is my natural hair because it blends so seamlessly with your natural hair. And if you have 4B or 4C textured hair, then I believe this is the style for you. It only took me 1.5 hours to achieve this look that is with the cornrows, and it's super easy and super cheap. So if you decide to try this style out, take a picture of yourself looking all bomb and glammed up and DM it to my Instagram account at _mugure.joyce or send it through the link in my description box. I would love to see you slay that hairstyle. And also remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Turn on the bell notification in order to get notified each and every other time I upload a new video so that you don't miss out. So let's begin. So for this hairstyle, I'm using the Marley Braiding Hair by Angel in number 2 because I couldn't find the number 1B because that is more my color, but the number 2 also works perfectly. And the first thing that I do is to cut the ends because you know they are usually like tangled up at the ends. So that is what I'm cutting off. Then I determine the center and cut using a pair of scissors because the style that I wanted wasn't like it was supposed to be too long. I wanted a bob hairstyle, so that is why I cut the Marley braids into half. Then for the next step, you will need a detangling comb and some leave-in conditioner. And remember to hold your hair down firmly because this is synthetic hair and it has a lot of knots. So if you're not careful, you'll end up ruining the hair. Afterwards, I apply in some leave-in conditioner to make it a bit soft and also manageable. As you can see, I have some leave-out natural hair at the corners of my head, and also I did a middle and side part because I wanted to enable myself to switch up the hairstyle regularly. So for the back part, I'm using the medium-sized chunks of hair. Don't use so large ones because they won't, like when you want to do a high knot, they won't like appear seamless because they'll have a lot of bumps at the back of your head when you want to do a top bun. So remember to use medium size, not large size chunks of hair. And I'm using the regular method of crochet where you pull both sides of the hair through the loop and tie the knot 2 times. But as I approach the front part, I'm using the knotless method of crochet where you only pull one part of the hair through the loop. If you want to see more detailed video about this, I did a video on that on my DIY hairstyle. So the Marley braid is only 500 shillings and the crochet is like 70 bob in Kenya. That is in Kenya. I don't know in other countries. So this is a very cheap hairstyle. I also have some pictures on my Instagram page on how I style this hairstyle, so remember to check that out. And if you've reached this part of this video, comment with a love or anything that you want, feel free. And also remember to subscribe, and let me see you guys in my next video or vlog. Bye.